All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to be starting our first module inside of the more complex version of the course. This one is going to be the fundamental setup. Yesterday, I said we were going to be doing the dev ENV setup. That was getting a little ahead of ourselves. I skipped over one, so we're going to be starting with the setup first. So in this section, we'll be going over the setup of Moccasin fundamentals and everything that we need to do to get started with Moccasin and Python. Nope, this is a Python crash course. So we'll be going over some basic Python and we'll be using Google Colab to write and test our Python code. And what's really nice about the Google Colab is that if we don't understand something, we can just use the built-in AI features to help us understand the code better. This will most likely be Google Gemini, which is a really powerful AI that can help us understand Python and write the code better. Now, the first concept we'll be going over is variables in Python, which we should be familiar with because we used them all last contract, but that's what we're going to be starting with. So variables are used to store data in Python, and are used to store data in Viper as well. And we can assign variables in Python like this. So for example, let's say we have my variable equals 5. This is a variable that stores the number 5 or the value 5. Let's move down a little bit. So we assign almost anything to a variable, and Python comes with many types. So my variable or my number equals 10. As you can see, this is a variable that stores the value 10, just like my variable. And variables can be named anything we want, basically, whatever we name them. It just has to be something that we can remember and remember what we assign to it. So it has to be memorable, it has to be specific. So you can see here my number equals 10. This is a variable that stores the number 10. My float equals 3.14. This is a variable that stores a floating point number or a decimal. My boolean equals true or false. This is a boolean variable that can be true or false. My string equals hello world. This is a string variable that stores a string. A string is also a string of words or sentences or characters. Now next we will go over the type hints in Python. In Python we can go over something called type hints, which are used to indicate the type of a variable. Now we're gonna leave it right there. We're not gonna jump into type hints just yet. Like I said, this is a pretty long module, so we're gonna take it step by step. So we're gonna pick back up here tomorrow. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.